Investing in parking lots can be a profitable way to generate income from real estate, especially in urban areas where there is a high demand for parking spaces. However, there are some challenges and risks involved, such as finding the right location, managing the operations, and complying with the regulations. There are different ways to invest in parking lots depending on your budget, goal, and preferences. Here are some of the direct and indirect methods that we are going to discuss in this video. This is the most traditional method involving buying a parking lot outright. Focus on high demand areas like urban centers with limited parking options. The second way is to develop a parking lot. If you have the capital and experience, consider developing a parking lot on a suitable land. This requires navigating zoning regulations and construction costs. In terms of the indirect methods, the first one is the REIT, or real estate investment trusts. Invest in publicly traded REITs that specializes in parking facilities. This provides diversification and professional management, but might have lower returns compared to the direct ownership. In the indirect methods, the second one is real estate crowdfunding. There are crowdfunding platforms that allow you to pool your money with other investors and collectively invest in parking lots projects. This lowers the initial investment but involves sharing profit with others. The third one is owning the individual spaces. In some cases, you might be able to purchase individual parking spaces within a larger lot and rent them out separately. This requires less capital but might offer lower returns per space. Investing in parking lots, like any real estate venture, carries inherent risks. It's essential to be well informed and conduct the due research and have a realistic understanding of the potential returns and challenges involved.